Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram connecting issues. So if your Telegram account is showing connecting even when connected to a network, here's how you can fix it. For example, I have a Telegram account which is currently showing connecting. When I switch to my other Telegram account in this section here, you'll see that this is connected successfully. Now you can switch back to that account and tap on the three horizontal line in this section. Now you want to come to this section and tap on settings. Under settings, you want to scroll to data and storage. Tap on this. You see storage usage. Now this is because if there is an internal error with the app, this can easily fix it. You can tap on storage usage and then you want to scroll to this section and tap on clear cache. Tap on clear cache and wait for this to clear your cache. Once the cache is cleared, see if this restores connection. Now, if this persists, you can still tap on the three horizontal line in this section here. Go to settings, tap on the three dots in this section and tap on logout. You also see other options here such as clearing the cache, so you can see try and clear the cache from here. Now tap on logout in this section here and log out of the Telegram account. Now you want to tap on the three horizontal line here again and then tap on add account. Now log back into the account. Now this will log you back into your Telegram account and restore connection. So that's how you can fix the network connection issue on Telegram. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.